The iconic Mercedes star is part of a single-piece front grille and can be replaced simply and easily. The top of the grille is held in place by two plastic spuds that sit in the grille. They are hidden below the trim or cover piece as indicated by the red arrows. If this is the first time you are removing the grille, you may want to remove the trim piece. If you have done this before, you can disconnect the piece with the cover still in place. To remove the cover, turn the plastic lock, yellow arrow, 90 degrees to unclock it. Remove the overflow and cable release from the cover, red arrow, then pull forward on the cover on each side, green arrows, and lift the rear of the cover up and remove it. The grille is held in place by a series of plastic clips along the bottom, as indicated by the red arrows, and the end piece that sits in a channel on each side, yellow arrows. Use light hand pressure and push the bottom of the grille back towards the radiator. The grille will pivot in on the bottom and give you access to the mounting piece on the top. This photo shows how the crossmember piece sits inside the top of the grille, red arrow. You can easily reach in with a flathead screwdriver and gently pry the grille connection apart, red arrows. If you have done it before and you know what you're looking for, you can disconnect the top of the grille without removing the cover. With the bottom and top free, lift the sides of the grille up and out of the channel it sits in, red arrow. With the grille removed, you can see the clips along the bottom. Installation is the reverse of removal. Use care. Line up all the clips with the openings in the grille and gently pull the bottom of the grille forward until it clicks in place. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.